Hi everyone, welcome to Eonasah Media Tech. Today's video is a pre-recorded video that has a voiceover and kind of reaction because I don't even know how to categorize this because you kind of seeing me right now, not just hearing my voice though. The problem is I recorded this video previously, but here's the problem. This video's audio was messed up because there was noise in the background and all that, so I just decided to make a voiceover, and that's what I'm doing now. And I wanted to show you my face. I know you miss me. I'm not dead. Yeah. Alright, let's hit it. So first of all, I'm also going to apologize for not giving you the sound because as I previously said, there was noise in the background. So yeah, I'm not gonna get it down. Yeah. I don't know that sound. What the fuck it is. So this is me unwrapping the Redmi Watch 5 like for the first time. Yeah. And that was a Sunday I did this video, and the Monday I took it for graduation, and it looked really good on my wrist. My wrist busting. Oh. So this is me trying to slowly open the box. Is it really slow? I think that's kind of aggressive. Yeah, cause the box ain't coming, like it ain't opening. So I just have to shake it down. Now I'm trying to pry that thing open, cause I'm sick and tired of giving you that electric feel. hmm So that's the watch in my hand. The first thing you open the box, the first thing you come across the watch, which is being wrapped around with this old plastic thing. So I put that aside and we dive deep. So slide it and see what we got there. That's the manual. So I don't know if I'm the only one, but anytime I buy a device, I barely use a user manual. I've bought a lot of devices in my life, and best believe me when I say I've not even opened some of them. Like I didn't even scroll through. Like that's it. I just buy it. I just take out my device, maybe the charger, and I'm done. If there are other accessories, I just take them out too. Like I'm done with the box and everything. Who uses user manual? Like let me know in the comment section. Let me know. Cause me personally, I don't. Yeah. Only when there's a difficulty using the device. Maybe I encounter some one or two difficulties. But before that, maybe I might go to YouTube. And after I go to YouTube and I don't find anything on that device, I just bounce back to user manual. It's kind of boring. Who uses user manual? It's YouTube. It's a GPT now. Yeah, back then I used to use YouTube because there was no AI. I'm really beginning to sound like an unk. So now I just put it back. Yeah, put it safely there. So now I'm opening the other side. And as you can see, yeah, that's a power cable for the Redmi Watch 5, for the smartwatches. That's like the standard power cable, I believe. The reason why I'm saying standard is it could also charge my phone. That's what I have here today. I hope you can see that. Yeah. You can see it in the other camera though. Like, so now I'm unwrapping everything. hmm It kind of sucks. I don't know. It's because maybe the way I positioned my tripod and my phone, it was kind of angular. I had to like wrap my hands around everything like that. It was uncomfortable, but I had to do it for you. You know? Yeah. You guys, I've been going through a lot for you. hmm Now, final blow. Take it off. Yeah. Get the hell out of here. So that's the watch. I mean, you could literally see it like that's talking for itself. And that's me comparing the 5 to the 4. You see, you could check on the bezels. You could check on the bezels. Like, man, the 4 has thicker bezels as compared to the 5. So if you are going to ask me if that was an upgrade from 4 to 5, let's give it up for Xiaomi. Xiaomi really did a good job there. Yeah. And mind you, I'm not sponsored by these people. But if in case they want to sponsor me or they want to give me gadgets to review, I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do that. You know, I really like Xiaomi. So now I'm powering on the device for the first time. You can see Redmi HyperOS. So this is what you greeted with for the first time, you know, turning on the screen. Yeah. And this me like making a quick setup. So from this part of the video, you could just jump out because there's not really much of me doing here. It's just some short setup that I didn't really delve deep in. I'm going to make a separate video for that. But if you want to just enjoy everything to the end, yeah, you can stay. So that's my Samsung over there. The reason why I'm saying Samsung is I just want you to know like the compatibility or the ability for this watch to go with other Android devices is like smooth enough. We haven't had any challenges or barriers now. It's all good. All you need is the app from Apple Store or Play Store, then you're good to go. Just pair it up. And one thing I want to say about this watch is it really looks good in person, you know. The screen, the feel, everything about the watch is just on point. I just don't know, like, I mean, it speaks for itself to see it in person. Like the AMOLED is speaking for itself. The design, you know, the alu frame, the crown, you know, that little knob here that you be twisting, this twisty thing right there. Everything is on point with the 5. And the 4 is okay, you know. I usually wear the 4 for like casual, something casual, like anytime, you know, if I'm going out random or like, you know, that's my day to day. But with a 5, if I'm going to a special occasion or something like that, that's when I put on my 5. It really speaks for itself. And I think Xiaomi knew what they was doing. You know, I didn't really follow up, or I haven't really followed up with their watches though. But looking at the 4 and 5, I could see that's a crazy upgrade, you know. And I recently like I watched some few videos on YouTube to compare like the 4 and 3, and you could see that was also an upgrade. So Xiaomi has been upgrading with their watches. Yeah. So in case you need a smartwatch to grab for let's say less than 100 euro, or let's say roughly 100 euro, you have 100 euro on yourself and you want to grab a smartwatch, you know, as let's say an Android user or Apple user, you could get yourself one of these watches there. I mean, it costs like 90 something or 100 new, yeah, and you would love it, you know, with a premium feel. It gives you that premium feel, and that's one thing I like about Xiaomi. They are very fair, you know. Sometimes I just ask myself like, is the price really real, you know? Because what I'm paying and what I'm getting, oopsie doopsie. So this is the end of my video, and thanks for watching me. See you in the other videos. I'm gonna say bye and bye. I'm not there. I'm back again, yeah. And you'll be having more content from me. Adios. Wait, where do I click?